We're continuing to follow the growing outbreak of cyclosporiasis across Ohio and Michigan. The illness is caused by a microscopic parasite that can spread through contaminated food or water. Health officials are urging people to take extra precautions with produce as investigators work to identify the source. Dominique O'Neill joins us in studio after talking with people about what they're doing and avoiding to keep themselves safe. Dominique.
Megan, I spoke to one man who says right now he's avoiding produce from the stores, especially items like lettuce. Instead, he's looking for local options. Fresh fruits and vegetables are a staple of summer meals, but concerns over the cyclosporiasis outbreak have some shoppers changing their habits.
We're trying to avoid lettuce as an example right now, just be on the safe side.
The illness only spreads when people eat food or drink water that has been contaminated with human feces, according to the Centers for Disease Control.
Our current hypothesis is that there was a batch of contaminated produce that went to at least the southeast Michigan area.
As health officials investigate hundreds of cases in northwest Ohio and more than 1,500 cases reported in Michigan as of this week, many people are paying closer attention to where their produce comes from and how it's handled before it reaches the table.
We just make sure we wash our produce before we consume it, and we're trying to buy more local to stay away from the big chain stores.
Health officials recommend washing produce under running water and cooking it when possible. As for where people are getting their produce, some are turning to local options like Stevens Gardens.
They've been coming in, buying what we do have because they said they don't want to shop at the stores right now. Pretty much because, if it's this widespread, it can't be something local. It's not grown here to get that many people sick. So they're trying to buy local, and I think that's probably the best thing to do.
Local growers say food safety practices haven't changed because they're already part of their daily routine.
We've always supposed to wash your fruits and vegetables. It kind of reminds me of the COVID thing about washing your hands. We kind of had to have a reminder. I think it's kind of the same thing. We got lax. So you need to just be frugal about cleaning your vegetables and fruit.
Health officials say anyone experiencing symptoms like diarrhea, stomach cramps is encouraged to contact healthcare providers. Health officials also still working to find the source of the outbreak, whether it's from a specific grower or supplier, and they have yet to identify a certain type of produce involved. Reporting in studio, Dominique O'Neill, WTOL 11.